In this class, I will explain about the super keyword in Java. The super keyword in Java is a special reference variable that refers to immediate parent class object. Here, there is a parent class. This is the parent class, and by using this parent class, I am creating the child class here. This is the child class here. Whenever the child class wants to use the data of the parent class, we need a keyword. That keyword is called as the super keyword. Especially to refer the parent class data at the time we require a keyword. That keyword is called a super keyword. It is mainly used in the inheritance when a child class wants to access the members of the parent class. Whenever the child class wants to access the members, members are nothing but it may be variables of a parent class or methods of a parent class. To access the variables or methods of parent class, we need the super keyword here. Come to the usages. The uses of super keyword in Java is there are mainly three uses here. The first one is the access parent class variables. Whenever if you want to access the parent class variables, at that time we need the super keyword, especially if the child class has a variable with the same name as the parent class. Whenever the child class variable name and the parent class variable name both are same, to differentiate between the parent class variable name and the child class variable name, we are using the super keyword. We are using the super keyword here. Means whenever the parent class variable name and the child class variable names are same, to differentiate between the parent class variable name, child class variable name, we need the super keyword. Okay, this simple program here, class parent. The class name is the parent. It contains one variable, string name, parent class. Okay. The class parent contains the one variable. The variable name is the name. It contains the data as the parent class. Class child extends parent. Means the child class is the subclass of the parent class. String name equals to child class. If you observe this one here, in the parent class there is a variable name. In the child class also there is a variable name here. To differentiate these two names, we need the keyword super keyword. Right, come this one here. The child class contains a method. The method name is show names. System.out.println child name plus name. System.out.println parent name plus super.name. Its meaning is that whenever there is a name, it directly takes the child class data, child class variables. To access the parent class data here, name here, or that we are writing the super dot name here, parent name plus super dot name. Its meaning is whenever there is a super, we can access the parent class name here. What is name here? Parent class. Come to the main class here. Public class super variable example. Public static void main string args child c equals to new child. Means for this child class we are creating an object. The object name is a c here. For this child class we are creating an object. The object name c here. C dot show names. Whenever there is c dot show names, the control will jump to the show names here. This method contains the system.out.println child name plus name. What is the child name? Child class. System.out.println parent name plus super dot name. The super dot name is nothing but the parent class name. Parent class. Means we will get the output as the child name, child class, parent name, parent class. Come to the second usage here. Access the parent class method. Whenever the superclass as well as the subclass, both the names are same here. When a method is overridden in the child class here, then we are in the super keyword. Come this one here, class animal. The class parent class name is animal. It contains method as the void sound. System.out.println animal makes sound. This is the parent class. The parent class contains method sound. Class dog extends animal. The dog class extending the animal means the dog is the subclass of animal. It contains a method. The method name is the void sound. System.out.println dog barks here. Observe this one here. The dog class contains the sound method. Animal class also contains the sound method here. Here, to access this sound here, at that time, we need the super keyword. See this one here. The doc class contains a method void print sound. It contains sound as well as super sound. Whenever there is a sound, it is accessing this method. Whenever there is super dot sound, then it is accessing the animal sound method here. Come this one here. Public class super method example. Public static void means string ornaments. Dog g equals to new dog. Means for this dog class we are creating the object. The object name is a d here. For this class we are creating the object. The object will be here. D dot print sound. Whenever there is a print sound, the control will jump to the print sound method. This method contains the sound. Whenever there is a sound, the control will go to the child class method. What this method contains the system dot out dot println dog bars. The dog bars will be displayed. After that, super dot sound. Whenever there is a super, the control will jump to the parent class. It going to the parent class and it is accessing the sound method. The sound contains the system dot out dot println animal makes sound. Animal makes sound. This will be displayed. This is a accessing of the parent class method. Next come to third usage. Call parent class constructor. To call the parent constructor, we are using the super keyword here. The super statement is used to call the parent class constructor. Must be the first statement in the child constructor. To access the parent class constructor, it must be the first line in the child constructor. If we did not write it, Java calls the default constructor automatically. Okay, that's why we have tried this line as the first line only. Class vehicle. Vehicle is the main class, parent class. It contains a constructor, vehicle type, vehicle string type. System dot out dot println vehicle type is the plus type. The main class contains the this parent class contains the one constructor. The constructor name is a vehicle. Class car extends vehicle. Car is the subclass of the vehicle. The parent class is the vehicle. Car is the subclass. Car string name. It contains one constructor string name. Super or four wheeler. Whenever there is a super, the control will goes to the super class constructor. It is passing this data. System dot out dot println car name plus name. Come this one here. Car C equals to new car. For this child class, we are creating the object. The object name is a C here. The object name is a C. Car C equals new car. Whenever there is a new car, it is automatically calling the default constructor. But here we are passing the data here, parameter constructor. Car Honda. It is invoking this constructor. Means now in this place the name becomes as Honda. Here the name is Honda. After that super. Whenever there is a super, the control will jump to the parent class constructor. Parent class constructor. It is passing this data here. Four wheeler. This data is passing in the type here. System dot out dot println vehicle type plus type. The vehicle type is a four wheeler that will be displayed. After that, system dot out dot println car name plus name. In the name they are passing the Honda. Car name is the Honda. That will be displayed. In this way, we are using the super keyword here. The super keyword mainly used to access the parent class variables. That is the first case. The second case to access the parent class method. That is the second case. And third one is call the parent class constructor. These are the three ways to use the super keyword in the Java.